Are you looking for a way to transform your bathroom or laundry without compromising on quality? It's all possible with Timberline bathroom furniture available at Amber. You will be delighted by the range of high quality options, Timberline's attention to detail and superb craftsmanship. From statement vanities to modular laundry systems, Timberline have beautifully made options to suit any style. Each of Timberline's vanities bring its own features that allow you to blend elegance and luxury into your bathroom in a way that's personal to you. Did you know their laundries even let you customise the perfect configuration? Need extra storage space or want wall-to-wall cabinets? It's all possible. Create all the space you need for your linen and laundry essentials, plus some extra room for the hidden laundry basket. Choose any of the Timberline cabinets and mix and match from the huge range of colours and handles to make the space fit your look. Visiting Amber is a must to see the Timberline products up close before deciding. You can immerse yourself in Timberline's impressive range. From on-trend modern designs to the best-selling Nevada collection, I guarantee you'll find the perfect fit. The experienced Amber team can also help you visualise different options for your space. So if you're planning on a bathroom or laundry renovation, head to your local Amber showroom. Experience this incredible furniture brand for yourself and get inspired to design your dream space. With only the biggest range of the highest quality bathroom vanities and modular laundry systems from Timberline, why shop anywhere else? Amber has the answer.